Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to defend in Dark War Survival. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and defend in Dark War Survival. So to defend your base in Dark War Survival, you need to set up a garrison at your city gate. This assigns heroes to defend your shelters automatically when you are attacked. So basically what you need to first do is go to the city gate. So basically the city gate is at the end of your city, where you will of course have your gates, and of course you can protect your city. Then tap on the garrison. So when you have it, you will have the garrison here. We have, as you can see, the radio station and everything here, and it will be here in the last parts of your city. Select up to 5 heroes for defensive lineup. So you'll have your heroes in the bottom left corner. You can see what you have and what you want to of course do with them. When another player attacks your shelter, these heroes will defend it automatically. Keep in mind that if those heroes are out of an APC march, they won't be available to defend your base. And that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.